now that it's time, now that I have the hour hand has landed at the end, now that it's real, now that the dreams have given all they had to lend, I want to know, do I stay or do I go, and maybe try another time? And do I really have a hand in my forgetting? Now that I've tried, now that I've finally found that this is not the way, now that I turn, now that I feel it's time to spend the night away, I want to know, do I stay or do I go, and maybe finally split the rhyme? And do I finally understand the undernetting? Yes, and the morning has me looking in your eyes and seeing mine, warning me to read the signs carefully. Now that it's light, now that the candle's falling smaller in my mind, now that it's here, now that I'm almost not so very far behind, I want to know, do I stay or do I go, and maybe follow another sign? And do I really have a song that I can write on, now that I can, now that it's easy, ever easy all around, now that I'm here, now that I'm falling to the sunlight and the sun, I want to know, do I stay or do I go, and do I have to do just one? And can I choose again if I should lose the reason? Yes, and the morning has me looking in your eyes and seeing mine, warning me to read the signs more carefully. Now that I smile, now that I'm laughing even deeper inside, now that I see, now that I finally found the one thing I deny, it's now I know, that do I stay or do I go, and it is finally I've decided that I'll believe